Hi guys, welcome back to Tandy Law Firm's YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about a topic that hits close to home for many pet owners, myself included, pet travel safety. Whether you're taking your pet to the vet, embarking on a vacation, or just cruising around town, ensuring the safety of your pet in the vehicle is very crucial. So in today's video, we're going to be diving deep into the do's and don'ts, ensuring that every journey that you take with your pet is safe. So let's get into the video. First and foremost, always use a pet restraint when you're driving the car with your pet. Whether this is a seatbelt harness, or I always recommend a carrier to secure your pet in, because in the event of a car crash, this can pose serious injuries to not only your animal, but also you. Did you know that a 10-pound dog, if it is unrestrained and involved in a 50-mile-per-hour car crash, that dog is exerting 500 pounds worth of force. So that is why it is so important to secure your pets in the car, just like you do with your seatbelt. Our next do we have for you is secure all loose items. Whether this is luggage, maybe this is your pet's essentials, or just any items in your car that could potentially be projected and hit you or your animal if you have to suddenly make a stop or you're involved in a car crash. The last do we have for you is make sure to keep all heads and all paws inside the vehicle at all times. Always encourage your animal to keep their body inside the vehicle. I know it's hard and they want to stick their head out the window, but keeping their body inside of the vehicle prevents them at risk of injury for debris, insects, or any external hazards. Our first don't we have for you is do not let your animal sit in the front seat. We like to say treat your animals like you would treat your children, just like small children. Even if a dog or cat is restrained, if they are hit by an inflated airbag, they could potentially be killed. So always make sure they are sat in the back seat. The last don't we have for you is do not drive without ID tags. Now, a lot of people actually don't think about this, but when you're preparing to make travels with your furry friend, it is so important that they have some sort of identification on them and your contact information is up to date. In the event of a car crash and you get unexpectedly separated, quick identification is essential. By following these do's and don'ts, you can significantly enhance the safety of you and your pet while you're on the road. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more content. Thank you guys for watching. Stay safe out there.